Hands down, this has to be one of my favorite Dollar Tree finds. Why? Because I use it every single day and it has not fallen apart. And no, not just for napkins. This would not be a fun video if I just said, hey, check out the cool Dollar Tree napkin holder that I got. No, my friend, I have 8 different and clever ways to use this. Number 8's my favorite. It's super cute. I mean, you certainly can do this, but come on now. I mean, what kind of video would this be if we actually use things for what they're meant for? Need a way to display your recipe books. Now, you certainly could get something like this on Amazon, which I absolutely love. I will link in the description box below, but that looks amazing too. Did you need a taco stand so you could get all your goodies in there? Tomatoes, salsa, guacamole, awesome. Or this is a great Amazon find. In fact, you can get a whole colorful stack pack. How about a toothbrush, cup, and floss holding station? Fits perfectly in there. How about displaying your favorite clutch, wallet, or handbag? This is a bonus tip, but a cute washcloth holder for your guest, a more spa-like experience. Although, I think I might like this much better. By the way, if you want to know my game-changing towel folding hack, I'll link that in the description box below. Or to keep things from tipping over in your shower, this bottle right here always tips over. It is so annoying, but not anymore. Now, this one just occurred to me. Look at the space that this takes up. What if I took my sandals and I put them in this little slot right here, and then I slid it in my closet? Oh my word, that is genius! Thumbs up if you like that as much as I do. Okay, I lied. This is gonna be way more than 8. I'm getting super excited now, but this is definitely an upgrade for my dryer sheets, and it's out in the open, so it makes your laundry room smell so delicious. Okay, this one I'm almost as equally excited about, but how about by your bedside table? All your nighttime goodies for reading, you could put it this way, and that would save a ton of space too. How about for displaying your ketchup and mustard? Yes! Need a place to house all of your remote controls? Carrying case as well. Now I got this situation going on, but what if I tried this? Now that is cute and fun. Not necessarily practical, however, all those are staying in there. You could also put your paintbrushes in there. Would you look at that? Now that is adorable. If you had your paintbrushes around the side and your little paint cup, what would you put here in the middle? This is so stinking cute. One of my subscribers wrote in the comments box below, Andrea Jean, do you just stay up all night trying to find creative ideas for random junk at the Dollar Tree? And my answer to that is, heck yes I do. All right, if you want to see that towel folding trick to save you space and make your bathroom look like a spa and wow your friends and family, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you, my friend, in the next one.